USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about USD against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find some links. First link says swing trading and automation. That is about growing your money 135% in 5 years. So get this robot if you want and let your money work peacefully. Then book consultation. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation. And the third link is about join free Telegram. Go and join free one. Now coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we have rejection, so we're gonna go up, baby. We still have room to go up. So USDJPY, yes, long, dead end. It's quite clear here. It's fucking visible. Okay, we're gonna go up. Nobody can stop. Daily we're gonna go up. 4 hour again we're gonna go up. So you see. Price in weekly above the EMA, daily above the EMA, 4 hour above the EMA. Look for longs. What are you waiting for? Okay, so I am done giving you free money. Free as in my videos. Until few months ago I was telling exactly that when to exit. I would tell you that, okay, enter at this candle, exit at this candle, or after these many pips. I used to do that, okay? But you people are thankless. Whoever is watching it, you people are thankless, okay? Maybe I can prove it, maybe I don't have to, but let me prove it actually. How what do you call that? Backbone? Yeah. How spineless people you are. You get everything for free. And let me give an example. This video got 81 views. 81 people saw my video on USDJPY on 12th of March, okay? I got 2 likes. I know who these 2 people are who like. Now, 2 likes out of 81 views, it shows how pathetic you people are who are here to watch my videos to get the knowledge for free, and still your hands and fingers, your thumbs, your fingers break when the time comes to like this video, or even dislike for that matter. Do you think somebody is dying for your likes or subscribe? No, nobody's dying for your likes or subscribe or share. No. The point being is you are spineless creatures watching video, watching knowledge content from somebody who knows maybe better than you, and still your ego is too much that you will not like or subscribe. Let me clarify once again, nobody is dying for your likes. But at the same time, it proves me how thankless and spineless you people are with ego, and you think you know more than me. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. It's not the fight of the knowledge. The fight or the argument here is how pathetic you are that you can't make a video, and if somebody does and gives you the correct information, it's not like I'm telling you and that is not happening. What I'm telling you, that is happening, and that is why you're coming back and watching the video. But you are a spineless, pathetic creature that your ego is too much that you will not even like a video. And let me clarify once again, nobody's dying for your likes and shares and subscribes, not people who earn money in the back end. Go watch yourself in the mirror and think about what you do online. If your ego is too much, not bigger than mine, okay? Because I can do what I can do, you don't. So go back to your hole and think about what you did. Coming back here. So I think this is what happened. This is how humans change, okay? You do some good stuff and then people take you for granted and then you stop doing it. You pay back. So what do you give? You give shit to me, I give you 1000% more shit to you. Be thankful that I'm still not telling you the wrong things. Wrong things, it's pretty easy for me to come and do the wrong analysis. But no, I'm still doing the right analysis. It's just that I'm not babysitting you anymore, and I don't take a crap from anybody. You owe me, I owe you nothing. Over and out.